So I'm going to do the walkaway split, and I'm going to grab this beehive right down here to assist in it. So I'm going to take this outside and show you what we're going to do. I don't think you saw that. Man, I feel terrible. My little boy, he was just out here wanting to see what Daddy was doing. I told him to step back a little bit. He evidently wasn't far enough and he got stung. Okay, so I'm going to do this walkaway split. So essentially, I'm going to take this top box and set it over there on the bottom box. Let's see if we can do that without getting stung. Man, they are heated with me. This frame's stuck to the other one. Okay, let me show you. Oh my goodness. Get this one situated. Okay. That one's looking great. I don't know if you should try it. These bees are excited. So then I'm gonna put the cover plate on this one. Actually, on this one I'm going to install this other brood box. So that way they can start growing. One thing I did prior to this video is I double checked each of the frames before I did the split. You want to make sure that each box that you split has got enough resources in it, meaning enough brood, enough larvae, enough honey and food storage, so that way the bees will survive after the split. We don't know in a walkaway split exactly which brood box has the queen in it. However, we can rest assured if each one of them has enough resources that they will survive. Keep watching to see if they make it. Okay, one down, one to go. Okay, we'll give it like a week or two and then we will see how it went. I think that a new queen, oh man, I think one of them got me on my leg. Ouch. Woo! That's fiery. Okay, I think. Woo! Yeah, I'm gonna be done out here. So we've got now 3 different hives, and only 2 stings. Yeah, one on me and one on my little boy. Man, hope he feels better. He'll probably heal up a lot quicker than I will. But anyway, that is how to do a walk away. It doesn't appear to be too hard. And stick with me and watch in another few weeks, and we'll find out if it's a success or if I just killed off half the bees. Check it out. Thanks for tuning in. Again, I've only been doing this for about a year, but hopefully this will prove to not be afraid of trying new things. You know, don't think because it sounds complicated or something that you can't do it. Give it a shot, you know. Try it out. Take a little risk. It'll be fine. You'll live to tell the story, hopefully. Till next time, find freedom. Look for it, seek it out. You'll do good.